Today is a sad day. It's the end of an era. We've had a lot of fun with the car through the summer while I had it, but it's time. It's going away. Just remember everything we've done with it. It's been a lot, even though it's been a short time. Thank you so much. Anyways guys, it's just the end of the season. Car is going in for the winter and we're just hoping that the winter goes fast and that spring can come again, because we got a lot of fun plans for the car for next year. As you saw in the beginning, we have the new seats, the Sparco Corsa seats that's going into the car.
GRP Tech, I think.
Exactly. And on top of that, we're also putting in the new Sparco steering wheel.
But what about the F1 wheel, you may ask?
The F1 wheel, we had fun with it. Might be back in the car for some day, but it's time to go for a real racing wheel. So I just picked up the new Sparco steering wheel with the honkers.
Might not work anymore.
Beep, beep. But yeah, so I'm super excited to get like a real Sparco steering wheel in the car as well. But all of this is going in after I've like fixed up the car for the winter. So today we're gonna start by just washing the car. We're gonna take off the front of the car to both make it easier for us to put the car away and possibly work with it during the winter to see if we can fix it up a little bit, since it's a bit low. It's pretty damaged from a little bit from me, but I would say mostly from previous owners from before we bought the car. So we're gonna head over to my parents' place and get started with the car. Last cold start of the season. We will miss this sound for the whole winter, right?
Yes. Stop steering wheel back.
Oh yes. Let's go. Vroom vroom. Okay, let's get started by just getting the whole car cleaned up. Equipment ready.
Yes.
Step 1, dip in soap. Ah, that's warm. Step 2, little bit soak. Step 3,
Rubby.
very clean. You see, you do a little bit this. Step 3. Step 4, you soap. Let's get super clean.
Yes.
So let's get going. Let's get this beauty cleaned up. Finally clean. So now it's the next step that we're gonna work on today before putting the car for rest. We're gonna remove this front part. This whole piece is going bye-bye. The R35 replica front. So we're gonna get started. We're not fully sure how to detach all of it. We know some place where it's attached, and then we just have to like start with that, and then we'll see if it's attached in more places and so on. So we're gonna start under the hood here, remove these things, and see what happens. So let's get started with this. Try it a little bit here. This should just be up here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. Okay, 3 done, 3 to go. We realized that we need to raise up the front of the car to be able to get the front off. So we're gonna work on that now. Get it up in there a little bit. We're gonna see what Eric does here.
Let's pray it's not breaking my car. Hopefully.
Everything should be loosened at this point. We're gonna try to get this off. Yeah. Looks as it should look. It's pretty messed up underneath. Yeah, that's one just like, yeah.
Yes.
As you see underneath here, it's not supposed to be white. Okay, let's put this over here.
Damn. Nice.
I think we need to get this
yeah,
loose if
that
we're gonna
definitely
drive.
has to be taken away. That's fine.
Yeah, this one is like that.
And these we probably have to support. So what's the next part after this?
Next part after this is to get the car to the storage a little bit later today, and hopefully be able to get the wheels off the car.
Oh yeah.
And then cover up the car and boom.
Done.
There we go. We're finally at the location where we're gonna store the car for the season. It was a little bit interesting to get it up here because, as you can see down here, it's a rather steep climb to get up here.
You probably can see it on.
Can't really see it, but like
I'll try to make it look.
I start going down like this up here.
Yeah.
It's rather steep to get up here.
What the?
It gets
Now you can kind of see it. It's very steep.
We have it in here now. You can see missing the front. It's rather dark in there as well, so I'm not sure how much you can see. But so we got the space in here.
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
It's dark. But so we got the space in here. We got some space around. It's not a lot, but it's more than enough. And then we're just gonna like pull this down, and it's gonna be hidden away. It's gonna be storage for the winter. So the only thing we have left now is to raise it up a little bit, get tires and the wheels off, and then we're done for the season.
Yep.
Feels kinda sad. It's time to lift up the car.
Hell yes.
It's going up in there. You guys ready for Formula 1 pit stop?
Oh yeah, it's starting to get dark now too. Shoo. So now it's on for jack stands. Just because we're gonna take the wheels off, because he's gonna probably paint them, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Or like hand them in for someone to actually do it. Get a good job done
to get
with
them
it.
fixed. Because I mean they're not boring rims. They're kind of nice, but they're kind of beat up and old and have some marks and stuff. And we both agree that black wheels look better.
For sure. And we're done. Wheels are here. Car are in there. It's covered up and it's all done up in there. No wheels, no front, and it's done for the winter. I mean, it's been a lot of fun with the car for the last couple of months I had it. I haven't had it for too long, but we've had a lot of fun things.
No, you kind of got it in the middle of the season.
Yeah. But we've done a lot of fun things already, and I can't wait for the next season. As I said in the beginning, there's a lot that we want to do with it that's gonna happen soon enough. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching every video on the channel, and I hope you're ready for the next season. A lot more car content, possibly some more car content during the winter as well, with fixing with the car.
Yes.
So we'll see how that goes. And other than that, I see you guys in the next video. Bye.